Another malakanyam kanadiala content barwani linguaseme kanor online TV channel anda manduna chang kon yak mala nong roina guaseme and wala shankang wan ka paibangwan ron kina dangro wide jandang ra wide diecha ban lerin kon into bana kaling to kon kalere bej te banaling kajen report bana nong guaseme kenyam channel right kamanan show a lot channel right ka dobadan and chaladno chagwaze dan te o yed natanel yetten o yet natanel quer and road ka kuumɛ SPLA IO ka jaram dan chairman ki acting chairman atama in the absence of Dr. Machar wajen chagwade chikim yadi de kunran bana jeling na mo kan ler bej ko ken bu kon keling chan ler ni am chan jeling gwaseme ka jowon chalad gwaseme ni natanel o yet jen chaja kwan ala quer nika gwase dan kirma yadit ke ticket kuumɛ SPLA IO honorable ambassador nasanelo yet nika gwase dan cha kwanya lo ramkel mi motere kuumɛ ka amani me chaja joj kir gwade chaja joj tinene chaja gurno chaja guru by my position ka tidial token ka kor gwasan paiwa tama cha George no chi kuumɛ kirma yadit kwela natin content ka parliament shegan shwalke honorable Jemanuno Kumba malaro ka parliament chagwa honorable Oyed Nathaniel cheje kunyarada dien rama cha kwantenoni wuda dien mishale honorable Ambrose Lomin pitia cha kwanyala kwer enyam mungur kwer en ke muktap antungot pinda ki ngotin content ka parliament no honorable Ambrose Lomin jen gwadana chalatin position edan ete Oyed Nathaniel tetin la bon kuumɛ SPLA IO gwaze charo da barra wikeje me bajo kulo woje kirmi yadit ka kor pada paiwa antama cha gware kamrada dien che honorable Nathaniel yet chayo gagrar chara do jen mo choro larantama an wala ka chanka wan ka paibangwan ron kina dangra widi jandang ra widi diech der go an wodi en jome di en ling ka do badan en chajalat keje honorable Nathaniel yet ngai kono jen rami bumbum ke a very important person ka kuumɛ SPLA IO ajaram dana let structure to one in the absence of Dr. Machar jaram dana cha kamlong kala tidiala tama ke jen gwasama entama re kuumɛ ka kirma yadit je tera radien militin milaram mekanitin kontila ne Dr. Machar so ne kontere kwargata murai kono kanitin kontin gorke kir mayadi chetke kuumɛ murai ke parkol ala interim chairman ajenta dana to kangai kondial no chala do no ne wude chalka me parkol awajen rami mo ba composition Dr. Machar ka gwasen be ka jawon shalat en par call point de jaram dana kwal use tema ala ramen dongde gwa Dr. Machar der kan ka do dana chagwi ke jeno gor kuumɛ je no de kan mishir kan mo de kan halat ngai kondi alle no ne misha togo no sha gwa Dr. Machar chaja kan par call ngai kon mandan de ro de la re wika South Sudan be beje long ke kuumɛ kim yadit ko banad bo control Koreang Machar jaram dana ngi kin poinje en wo dongde malde je no re wika South Sudan mega jarar nyu de jen wona mo yerane kuumɛ en kirma yadit so de konti ka ngech katin konten lat karodian ka do badan en cha jut cha kanunga je ko ngai kon mu kana shi kirma yadit je gorno be Dr. Machar bajelunya batum no gwar be kamrada dien ngai kon madan borderlat of course jen kortal no din be ten so ko kujamo to avoid any conflict war you can South Sudan nyu de gwanu cha par kol cha de kwanya la first vice president ne ka gwari Machar shin me dan cha kon lat 2016 so mi shit kana me charode delwang to kon ka another development jo banling bere which ka unity state take jo Machar do take a quer ki general Machar do jen chala no da ro mat kum kir me yadi bana jelinga go ka do ba cheto go je chala den go nene honorable lam tung gwar jaram dana ro chi charai ke generally dio je ne den kon de kum SPLA IO ke te go bonda den but bana jelinga jelere me akan kono nyam gore jano jender channel de je support der chonga channel an bana ku kuma nan choda lad ban jelinga nyam ko tok kawaine ban kulinga kora according to the information in Bentiu, well, we report on recent claim involving Major General John Turuk, who is a soldiers, okay, or part of the SPLA IO. Well, General John Turuk, a former Lake Community chairman, involving both Major General and Honorable Lam Tungwar. Honorable Lam Tungwar has claimed that he talked with commander from the Lake community, including Major General John Mabia, Major General Gatoy Tak, and Major General John Turukur. Lam said these talk are about joining the government and South Sudan People Defense Forces, the SSPDF. Jo chalat gwasa me banalinga chalado shi lam tung gware charwach eno ka kwar te tere wejin winami kan kwar tone eno ka kwaren kontin la takabon Dr. Machar katada na chalat kaje wa kanetin kontin chikarai gwasa me wa chikarai ko de kan kuumɛ de kan jawn ka jo wadana chalat do badana join kene je wa shi lam tung gware shaka jogono de en kuumɛ de en join ko bi malbeben. Honorable Lam Tungwar chala do ijene charai ke Major General Mabie, charai ke Major General Gatoita, charai ke Major General John Trukur. Eno awa chilam charai kanamo chajelat. Jelat no de kan SSPDF de kan join katada na chalat. The Lake community is an important group in South Sudan. Honorable Lam Tungwar was their former chairman. He recently spoke at the inauguration of Lake community leadership. During this event, he said he is working with Lake commanders who are in the SPLA IO to cooperate with the government. Honorable Lam claimed that the commander are ready to make peace and sign an agreement with the government. Jo chalat gwaseme Lake community walam tungwar jaramda la chakona kuer ka former chairman. Wajen ka korni ni chen paiwe wate ka dol mashadul te ka gwad mi lat ka dotin integration mi lat ke ka Lake community and on a leadership one when mo chojo lad ngone ne jene charai kaneten kontina Lake community commander tinti ka kuumɛ SPLA IO alanetin kontila generally shirman chana shurken chana ka lengwase me ano charai ke Major General Gatoita ka charai ke Major General John Turukur ano kanene ko kiɛn wona ka John Major General John Mabia. So kana ideality work very important general ko kuumɛ SPLA IO jene charai ke kene ke ready ko de ka malde kan lat ke kum kirmi yadit. Of course, mishit kaname wukon ko nyamten and wami talkie che talk according to the information dana shagor no kacha non kon no shilam tungwar che mishit mo che jalat alo daga kuumɛ SPLA IO lo tia sa ke ko de kan kuumɛ SSPDF de kan join chana jaling kɛɛl. In response from General John Trukur, Major General John Trukur quickly responded to this claim. He strongly denied them. He say Honorable Lam is lying. Kajo shaling gwaseme she would have me Michalga General John Trukur. Jene kana roi kana Lam Tungwar. Jene Lam Tungwar che shakaka kana roi jene kajaman chalat jene she talk. No, jene me kana talk. General Turukur said, Honorable Lam say he talked to General Mabie, General Gatoy Tag, and me about joining peace with the SSPDF or signing a secret agreement with the IG, which is SPLA IG and government. This is totally false. We can never make any deal with the IG without releasing Dr. Machar We fully support SPLA IO with all our hearts. We have no personal interest to betray the movement. Jan Shalen Guasame General Turukor, a Janinana, Roy Chalan, she lam tungwar Cherokene Gerald Mabie, Gerald Gatoita, Cananatin Coquina Content Winami, a Janame catch cheetwalk. A Janachine, I Gichine Demon John, Kitchen Dene Chine de Workaka. Tell a secret meeting which in a lat kaka, she reman chala da lam tungwar, a gentleman chala da lam a geneshi talk, a flawless, tell a deal which in a mekaka, mean a meka IG, SPLA IG, a geneshi demon talk bo, and ordene IG, then a join, a man which are doctor, which are charge of conlin. Can we fully support SPLA IO? Can you can kɛɛl ke kuumɛ SPLA IO, SPLA IO edundan, bana yik saponja. Can I tell a personal interest ko dene movement dung SPLA IO dene watch dene waiting ke dene pal and kuumɛ Dr. Machar. The jomo chajala no na me she talk so ko kuja money sharo da bulwang ke shan ba mat kamadana shalat. General Turukur also spoke about Dr. Machar's role in South Sudan. He said that without Dr. Machar, South Sudan could still be part of Sudan. Jowling Yeneme, la General Turukur, Sheladonene. Jenny Dr. Machar, Ramkel Midire, Wika South Sudan, she big role she play. Metal Dr. Machar, tell South Sudan. You know, they South Sudan, tell me they're a part of Sudan, tell them they show South Sudan, Kukujamo. He fought for our country independence. We cannot leave Dr. Machar to suffer our arrest and make secret detail with IG. That is not true. Viva Dr. Machar. A generation edem GN kuumɛ SPLA IO. Koen Dr. Machar point aram kel michukur shater. Metela Dr. Machar tema. A jenny tela malma deben katela independent mede jek ka South Sudan de South Sudan dere ngot ka kuumɛ Sudan. So kuja mo Dr. Machar aram kel me bum bum. Mibne gwar michine depal dene kule de fagdi gwan mishuch Dr. Machar ten rete gen yaka kune de tiai une ka kuumɛ kirmi yadit akan na me charo da bulwang ka chebe mentwok amene mi cha Dr. Machar chaja konlon mitine ke decision ko ken bine kala nyoka mi megne ka but for now tell me shale decision chiga jo mo chikana lade nono lam tungwar shala do ne me chi tokaja. In summary, there is a disagreement between Honorable Lam Tungwar and Major General John Turukur. Honorable Lam claimed talk are going with Lake Commander to work with the government. Turukur denied this and reaffirmed his full support for SPLA IO and Dr. Machar. Chirmishalinga, she can learn no, she can kuumɛ, she can support, kashabu mtuogbo, she can mchuankel, ke kuumɛ maraike. Kirma yadit kenelo ke loyal ka Dr. Machar men mi cha Dr. Machar chaja kon kamrar rete gen mitune ke decision ko kien bene ko kulo me ka kor but for now tel mi shalo bene gen ko kuumɛ SPLA IO ka jawdana chikana lat munyo do man chala de lam tu gwar ken she to ken ro ke lam tu gwar chakane ne ka so jo me de ramde kon dialaling in another report gwasme report me be gwakur gwada dana to kurteten men to the shalke Thomas Rilo, leader of the opposition National Salvation Front men shalke NAS and on chajo chajalat gwasame take jo machalat ajanina we will struggle together with the SPLA IO say General Serilo akane bikan kurbi kana terkel ke kuumɛ SPLA IO aja jome chaje lat ban jakulel nyakel ka dobran chalat keje ka jome chalat gwasame General Thomas Rilo, leader of the opposition National Salvation Front she confirm no nena janishi can military alliance can form ke opposition group la kuumɛ SPLA IO kan kuumɛ maraike Dr. Machar men tepin acting chairman o Nathaniel waken chigorodian mat kɛɛl chicken allies chicken mat chigorodian mat kɛɛl lo bikan kor bikan ter kɛɛl chicken jomo chicken alat kan pin Dr. Machar kan ban mandana de la rai wiki juba ban jalat kɛɛl do badande maldare ben kaja General Thomas Cirillo, leader of the opposition National Salvation Front, confirmed that he has formed a military alliance with the opposition SPLA IO, led by acting chairman Oye Nathaniel, as first by President Dr. Riek Machar remain under detention in Juba. Jen shaje tijen wude shalke me Thomas Cirillo radio shalke radio tamazuch ke Thursday ti General Cirillo chela rune ne ken sigurian mat kel sige military dien jikana mat kidi niken siken kamat ke kuumɛ Dr. Machar right now right kon ken sigurian mat kel ko biken kor biken terkel ateram bikela da gwad mi mo ti Dr. Machar tere ti jen lat kenen wone ne chiram kel cha korche jebulong makan arien kon mat michin arien madan den de do de jelong ajen do be dan sha kunen ge jeno to kor ke jen winemi chika do be dan chikalat gwasmen go bigoren mat kel ke bikan kor bikan mat kel. In an exclusive interview with the Radio Tamazuj on Thursday, General Cirillo said that, and he confirmed that his group has entered into a military alliance with the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, following the government offensive that displaced Dr. Machar forces from containment areas, including their base near Juba. General Cirillo rejected the idea that the alliance could undermine peace, insisting the two groups are defending themselves amid repeated attack from government forces. He also called for the immediate release of all political detainees, including Dr. Machar, to create a viable environment for renewed dialogue. George Kalat Guasame, General Cirillo, Janajan Bakur Bejater Kelke kuumɛ Dr. Machar, Chang Malat Gajengo, ek Madian Korodian wa chicken mal chicken yar. Baneme can let can ko bi mal baben. Gwadan wo Dr. Machar can barar. Can bo lat can do Dr. Machar de the release ko dar te ko do mi ba mal ba jalat keje. Metal do balan mal nyu de jen go tel mal mi baben. Me karing Machar kano konlon jene tel we mi mal baben keje. So ko kwidamo Cirillo jane manne roda ki dine ko bine kurbine terkele men mi shimal cheben chikan jo mo chikan lar ngai kon madana le rode ano kir che de gorno te mal medeben but gore je long ano de mal derben en Dr. Machar kan netin ko kien ko lin kon ko gwasmene so kene meditin medan chaje won no rei which kana robin go de timana peace initiative de jere alaka but benyan lebo jen o derben barai now cham chirna mo chaje yar so ngum chirmen o ba kurba je ter kano bikir no be Dr. Machar be release ko bana ko peace process ala dun 2018 peace agreement dan inshallah jom shirkana me amila roden tama shirkama shalinga Cirillo shikamat kana kuumɛ Dr. Machar pin wudo mishal ke Nathaniel yet rei which ke Equatoria ta jom laden go biken korme biken terkel ke kuumɛ SPLA IO shikarodian bila dak amen mi shimal cheben shikana mo shikana lat no jawri na bana nyoka mukwen kono gwasame kalar titini bana right ketin kono lat karodian rei wecha ka so Sudan te jom chalat gwasme mgor kono de kono linkel ka do badan en chalat keje no kuumɛ mo right ke no kilma yadi ta dan chikalat gwasme gor jeno beje nyoga yekel no ke kwi yoni ketin ko ken kono lat karodian bana ye chunyo akel Wuda me Jen Charles Simon Quaideng Ramala Commissioner General of South Sudan Revenue Authority kena chikan yu chikan ka kwan yu to shop ke 956 billion South Sudanese pound 956 billion South Sudanese pound yu ngwana long kena ka korpen dang badak chikan ka collect kan yu dialato waj akan the highest revenue to char court rewika South Sudan ko baga collect ko korpen dang badda ka gwatot karwade kan yuri tini akan shi kan gajek rewika South Sudan ka yuri to akan to kan tolian ne ka January abene ka jan aga sa pai wala pai baddak ajene kenyam ka payen ya medane shuwa especially ke January kan shi ka yuri shop ke 93 billion chicken ka collect ke chicken gajek ka kore ka pairo chicken yuri shop ke 77 billion feb chicken gajek February ka paya diodien wa chicken yuri shop 132 million chicken gajek wona ka 139 million and wona ka payen one wona ka pay 122 billion and ono after that kan mad yondi ale chakul na te chicken ba mad gwaskel chukan jegono shiga yo chukwa 956 billion South Sudanese pound chicken ga collect can you reality tin cha collect revenue tin kona jigre wika South Sudan watandi na kan kwa salary ni kwa kala European ka je kan ni kan you kan ga European ne ka paidok first payment salary payment e dana shalat kan ga kore no kantung wan kan ga blat chu kan you na tandian baratam report kan nung kan na nya 156 billion South Sudanese pound cha ga jek gwadana sha tax sha collection wika South Sudan. According to Commissioner General Simon Akwedeng, the entire amount was transferred to the Ministry of Finance and Planning. Wayu the LTA chaga community kona Ministry of Finance Canadian Consular Planning. Chala do nene 9% katuta revenue wa ka aktin no ka authority ko ba operation tin kona ba ko lat keke. Kanem man dia na balat gwasa me o ba yu ba las ka bang kana ta da na dong ba yu ba ka tu ku jere wika South Sudan especially chike salaries chikaro mo chikanalat nyok te mi chikalat gwasa me kana take tax mala tol commercial ka value added tax mishale VAT ala tax mala ja tol ka Canadian Consular business people so mi cha yu cha ka tul ka ke la kana gor no ba yu to ba kan ba ko la let ko ken but medan wa ken mi cha ji tul antam de kan tul nyogurun cha ko le guje kan ne gor ko no bi ken paper bill bi kan real ka ko mi yu yor pin cha ji bil yan nyok ka tul ka community mi cha ji tul ka business ko sometime ni na jin ka business do de na ore area ka na titin de ji dwa de ko tul ka dong chi tax ji yor pin cha guje no mo cha tax cha de bu ko le ka rew so chi ka jo mo ji kan la no chi we also working on the TPA, the Tax Procedures Act. The Tax Procedure Act is a document that will give us how to implement the taxation. Well, jen jode shaling oni katin kona lat Carodian. Me jira me jidit gwas me ka no online TV channel. Gor jen oderi channel register support it subscribe. Enda mandu ni cham kon nyek mala nung roi nung gwatame an wale shanga ngwan ka pai bang waron kina dangro udi ja dangro udi dich. Bana jek kalarin ko kenten be and chuja poro jeno bi video ko keneti bi ka nyak karod kel ki bi ka gwich ka chuja foga de no bichar bi ja ku pingwas mo mitem der lar ka miteke news mi giji mo dong chabel gor no ba der ja komen gwas mo ki der contact den changor nje de ujek gwatami an bi atek mal bye bye.